Natanong mo na rin ba kung bakit may mga tao na kahit anumang pagsubok ang dumating sa buhay nila, parang hindi sila natitinag? Kahit ang dami nilang problema, parang laging kalmado lang sila, positive at nakakabangon agad. Ano nga ba ang sikreto ng mga emotionally strong people? Ngayong araw, pag-uusapan natin ang ilang habits o ugali ng mga taong matatagang emosyon at paano mo rin ito pwedeng ma-practice sa buhay mo. Habit number 1. They accept what they can't control. Emotionally strong people know that not everything in life is within their power. Hindi nila inuubos ang oras at lakas sa mga bagay na hindi nila kayang baguhin, tulad ng traffic, opinyon ng ibang tao, o panahon. Kapag may problema, hindi sila agad napapanik o nagrereklamo. Instead, they pause and assess the situation. Tinitingnan nila kung alin ang nasa circle of control nila at alin ang hindi. Halimbawa, kung naipit sila sa traffic, imbes na mainis ng mainis, ginagamit nila ang oras na iyon para makinig ng podcast, mag-reflect, o pagpahingahin ang isip. Kapag may bumatikos o may hindi magandang sinabi tungkol sa kanila, hindi nila pinapabayaan na masira ang buong araw nila dahil doon. Tinatanong nila ang sarili, may magagawa pa ba ako para mabago ito? Kung wala, paano ko haharapin ito ng mahinahon? They focus on what they can control. Their response, attitude, and mindset. Sa halip na mapakalunod sa frustration, they choose to act positively and let go of what they can't change. In this way, they protect their peace and reserve their energy for things that truly matter. Habit number 2. They set healthy boundaries. Emotionally strong people understand the importance of knowing their limits. Alam nila kung hanggang saan lang ang kaya at dapat para sa sarili nila. Hindi sila natatakot magsabi ng no, lalo na kung alam nilang masasagad o mauubo sila. They recognize that saying no is not selfish, but an act of self-respect. They value their time, energy, and well-being. So, they don't allow others to take advantage of them or drain their positivity. Kapag may hinihiling na hindi na nila kaya o hindi na makakabuti sa kanila, marunong silang tumanggi ng maayos. By protecting their boundaries, they maintain their inner peace and make sure they have enough energy for the people and things that truly matter to them. Habit number 3. They practice self-compassion. Emotionally strong people are gentle with themselves. Hindi sila masyadong mahigpit o mapanuri sa sarili. Kapag nagkamali sila, hindi nila binabash o pinaparusahan ang sarili nila ng paulit-ulit. Instead, they choose to forgive themselves, recognize that mistakes are part of growth, and focus on the lessons learned. Salit na mabuhay sa guilt o self-blame, they remind themselves that no one is perfect and everyone deserves a second chance, including themselves. They pick themselves up, try again, and move forward with kindness and understanding for their own journey. Habit number 4. They don't dwell on the past. Emotionally strong people refuse to be trapped by sana and kung, those what ifs and regrets that can haunt our minds. Yes, they reflect on their mistakes and learn valuable lessons from them, but they don't let those regrets control their present or dictate their future. Instead of replaying failures or missed opportunities, they focus on what they can do today. For them, every new day is a fresh opportunity to make better choices, grow, and move forward. They believe that while the past may shape who they are, it doesn't have to limit what they can become. Habit number 5. They ask for help when needed. Sino po napauso ng idea na ang humihingi ng tulong ay mga mahihinang nilalang lamang? Well, gusto kong malaman mo na emotionally strong people are not afraid to reach out when they need support. Hindi sila nahihiya magtanong o humingi ng tulong kahit kanino. Naiintindihan nila na ang paghingi ng tulong ay hindi kahinaan, kundi tanda ng tapang at katalinuhan. They recognize that everyone needs help at times, and seeking guidance or support shows self-awareness and the willingness to grow. Instead of struggling in silence, they value connection and believe that sharing their burdens makes them stronger, not weaker. Habit number 6, they focus on gratitude. Emotionally strong people choose to focus on what they have rather than what they lack. Imbes na puro reklamo, hinahanap nila ang mga bagay na maaari nilang ipapasalamat kahit gaano pa ito kaliit. Whether it's a hot cup of coffee in the morning, a smile from a friend, or simply a moment of peace, they find reasons to be grateful every day. This habit of gratitude helps them maintain a positive outlook, especially during difficult times, and reminds them that even in the midst of challenges, there is always something good to hold on to. Habit number 7, they take care of their body. Emotionally strong people understand the deep connection between physical health and emotional well-being. Alam nila na kapag inaalagaan nila ang katawan nila tulad ng sapat na tulog, tamang pagkain, at regular na exercise, mas madali nilang nahaharap ang mga hamon ng buhay. They make self-care a priority because they know it's hard to stay emotionally resilient when you're physically exhausted. By keeping their body healthy, they build a strong foundation for a balanced and positive mindset. Habit number 8, they surround themselves with positive people. Emotionally strong individuals are intentional about the company they keep. Pinipili nila ang mga taong nagbibigay ng inspirasyon, suporta, at encouragement. Mga kaibigan at pamilya na nagpapalakas ng loob at nagtutulak sa kanila na maging mas mabuting tao. They distance themselves from toxic relationships that drain their energy or bring negativity. And instead, they invest time and effort in nurturing healthy, uplifting connections. Alam nila na being around positive people helps them grow, stay motivated, and maintain a happier outlook on life. Habit number 9, they practice mindfulness. Emotionally strong people make it a habit to be present and aware, even in the midst of a busy life. Kahit gaano kahektik ang araw nila, they intentionally pause, reflect, and focus on the present moment. Minsan, simple lang. Isang malalim na paghinga, pagsusulat ng journal, o tahimik sa paglalakad sa labas. Pero, napakalaki ng tulong nito sa kanilang emotional strength. By practicing mindfulness, they manage their stress better, gain clarity, and stay grounded, allowing them to respond to challenges with calm and resilience. Emotionally strong people aren't born that way. They build these habits little by little, araw-araw. At pwede mo ring simulan kahit unti-unti lang. Ano sa mga habits na to ang gusto mong subukan? Or may sarili ka bang tip? I-share mo sa comments. Baka makatulong pa sa iba. And don't forget, you can build strength from the inside out. This is Ratty G, reminding you, you are stronger than you think.